Biggest trading day ever? I think so. Let's look at how I made. Boom. Yeah, one day, bro. Hey, don't mind the month, bro. It's been rough. It's been rough, okay? Don't mind the month. I'm gonna give you guys a quick little breakthrough on the month so far. I apologize for not getting to the trading. You can just skip ahead a little bit. I don't even remember. Loss. Okay, these 2 days were big learning days. Okay, big learning days. Nobody's perfect. These two are very avoidable though. Like if you were to put me back in there, I would not have made these two mistakes. Trade just failed, and this was a miss entry, and I ended up taking for a partial loss. So, and then obviously, today. So, just show you guys what's up. Basically, I took this in Asia session. Okay, so let's just go back to market open. So we're actually SMTing at all-time highs here. Okay, check this. Look, we just swept all-time highs, bro. Hold on. Let's go on the daily. Yeah. Look, we just swept all-time highs on the 4-hour. Look, nothing out here to the left. Let me switch over to NQ. Look, boom, bro. We're not even sure we're approaching all-time highs, but we're not there yet. So, what do I see that I like? We also have another 4-hour SMT. I don't know why that tool's on here. Also have remove these drawings. Also, we have a 4-hour SMT. So look, we're displacing down with this high right here. And boom, we don't take it on ES. Okay. This is the only reason I took this trade, by the way, because of this confirmation and all-time high SMTs. So boom, we get this confirmation downwards. I'm like, okay, we can probably catch a nice continuation. So, I'm kind of looking around. Get a pullback. By the way, all this was super duper slow. All right. Now, watch this. Look, we get this pullback. Initial pullback, boom, we're displacing back down. So I want to try to kind of catch a continuation here. So I don't think this was the setup. Hold up. Maybe it was. It definitely was. Okay. Well, anyways, I drew the bottom to the top. Oh no, this is ES. That's why. Sorry. So we get this initial pullback, and then boom, more displacement down. So I wanted to see us break through this low right here. Okay, I wanted to see us break through this low. And by the way, you might be like, oh, you don't have confirmation lower. Yes, we have previous day lows. And my TP was actually, I'll get into my TP in a minute. So we have previous day lows below all-time high SMT and another 4-hour SMT with displacement to the downside. And check this out. So I was on the 15-minute. I want you guys to really pay attention to this. Look, so we come up, tap equilibrium. But what does equilibrium also align with? The CE of this 15-minute fair value gap. So what did I do right here? I entered short with a 10-point stop. And I was targeting. So whenever you're trading off of like kind of more like longer trades, you kind of want to be like, okay, where's the next level of resistance? And for me, it was this right here. So see this fair value gap right here that we respected on the 1-hour time frame? This right here is a rejection wick or a rejection block. Okay. This whole thing from top to bottom is a rejection block. And the CE of it is the point where rejections typically happen. So at this point, I went to sleep and I, kind of let the trade play out. And, I got brutally edged. I obviously wasn't awake to see this happen, but I got brutally edged. We come up, rebalance, and then boom, delivered. And why did it go to the 11-minute chart, bro? 1-minute chart, and then boom, we immediately rebalance back to the downside. So that was the trade that made me $8,100. We'll go to calc. Let's see here. 1620 times 5, $8,100. So yep, requested payouts about 3K worth just a couple minutes ago. And yeah, that was today's trade recap. Biggest day ever. Hope you guys enjoyed.